Hey guys, this is Vignesh from Phone Arena and you're watching the ASUS 6Z unboxing. We have the device in black color with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Upon opening the box, we have transparent case, the device, charger, USB Type-C cable, headphones with a replaceable earbuds. These are the inbox content of the ASUS 6Z. The device sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD screen and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. The rear protection is taken care of Corning Gorilla Glass 3. On the right side, there is a Smart Assist key that can configure to a quick shortcuts or can be used to launch Google Assistant. In Google Assistant mode, a single press will let you speak to the assistant, double click for the personal updates, and the long press will enable conversation mode. You can also find the volume rocker and the power button on the right side. Triple card slot is placed on the right as well. Below, there is a USB Type-C port, stereo speakers, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The fingerprint sensor is mounted on the back panel. The main highlight of the phone is its flip camera. The phone comes with a 48MP main camera with Sony IMX586 sensor along with a 13MP secondary camera with a 125° ultra-wide lens. You can also flip the camera 90 degrees, which is useful in some cases, offering a new perspective. The flip-up camera module, made from liquid metal, is lighter than the stainless steel. It will close automatically if you drop the phone, just like OnePlus 7 Pro. Powered by Snapdragon 855, the phone has up to 8GB of RAM. The ASUS 6Z comes with the near stock Android with a very few preloaded applications. The ASUS Zen UI comes with the full dark mode as well. There is a really cool feature called private listening. This feature allows you to listen to audio files more privately without disturbing others. The ASUS 6Z comes with a 5000 mAh battery with the support for Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 and comes with a 18W charger in the box. So this is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.